Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I'm your girl Kelly Augustine. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. If this is not your first time here, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I do it every time, I don't know why. Today I am here to bring you guys a much requested tour of my living room. I get this question on Instagram all the time. As you guys know, I've been working with IKEA since last year, and I got a huge shipment of stuff, and they actually have sponsored this video. I'm gonna be showing you some really great pieces that I got from them and some other things I've collected along the way, so stay tuned.
My whole life, find someone like you, find someone like you.
So that's it. That's a tour of my New York City living room. If you guys like this video, there is going to be so much more coming in my home series. Please be sure to like this video so I know that you guys like it. And as always, please subscribe, share it with a friend if you see anything you're inspired by. I am happy to be here to share my life with you guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.